Man, that fucker don't want to start.
Captain's log.
Captain's log, start date 2009.
We are lost at sea.
That fucker don't want to start. Okay, here's the plan. If we have to call them, we're gonna put all the beers.
Yeah, we gotta hide everything. We gotta clean it. We gotta clean
Clean this bitch perfect. Put all clothes back on. And we're like, we were just out here talking about politics, and when it started. I mean, where I was right in the middle of Barack Obama's healthcare policy. And I was like, all right, guys, it's an hour in, time to go. And I was like,
I was doing circles.
In reality, I was going as fast as I could. I just jump off this motherfucker. And my friend started. No one to start it. And I tried to start it. Oh, and it hit some rocks earlier. We were fucking cranking up on some rocks.
We drank a big bottle of vodka.
I'm Milwaukee's best, and we ain't supposed to have coolers, but we got 2 of them. We just tell them the fucking awful truth right when they get here. Here's the deal.
We're sorry.
Why the fuck won't this